Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. Today we will discuss on the multiple choice question with more than one correct answer. First question is, which of the following is or are not true about hexagonal close packing? We know that the hexagonal close packing percentage of packing efficiency is equal to 24. So first it has a 26% empty space. Total, this is the occupy space 74. So 100 minus 74 is equal to 26%. So this is the right option. It has a 26% empty space. Next, in this arrangement, third layer is identical to first layer. Yes, in the HCP hexagonal close packing layer AB type packing. So first and third layer are same. So second option is right. Then third, coordination number in this arrangement is 6. No, this is the wrong because of the coordination number of the HCP is 12. So this is the wrong. Following is or are not true. Then it has a closely packed as BCC packing. No, this is the wrong. It is not closely packed the BCC packing. So its right answer is C and D. Next, in which of the following structure the coordination number of both the ion are same? Both the ion means, for example, A plus and B minus. So A plus has 8, so B minus 8. That way, same, both the ions are same coordination number. So in this CSCl, CS8 and Cl also 8 coordination number. That way, Zn 4 and S4 coordination number. Zn adopt CCP structure and S adopt CCP structure and Zf adopt the alternative tetrahedral modes. And then third, NaCl 6 and Cl6. So which of the following structure of the Cn of the both the ion are same? So these three are right. CSCl, ZnS and NaCl. Next, which of the following statements are correct? Correct statement. Find out the correct statement. First statement is the coordination number of each type of ion in CSCl is 8. Right, this is the CSCl coordination number is 8. Then next, a metal that crystallizes in BCC structure has coordination number 12. No, this is the wrong because of the in the BCC structure coordination number is 8. And the simple cubic coordination number is 6. For this is the HCP coordination number 10. So this is the wrong. Next, a unit cell of ionic crystal shares some of its ions with another unit cell. Yes, this is the right because of the we know that the one unit cell, for example, consider as the corner atom. When corner atom is the 8 and another 8 unit cell is combined, that way one atom occupy the 8 into 1 by 8. Its contribution 1 by 8 means this one atom contribute the another 8 unit cell. So this is the right. The length of the unit cell in NaCl is 552 picometer. R is equal to Rna plus RCl minus. So it gives the 95 plus 181 is equal to 276 picometer. But we find out the length of the unit cell. So A is equal to 2R. Multiply with this R value 276. So this is the 552 picometer. This is the right option. For this, which of the following statement are correct? A, C and D is the right option. Next, which of the following is not correct for the Frankel defect in crystal? First of all, in the Frankel defect, positive and negative charge present. When positive charge missing their own position and this positive charge occupy interstitial position, this defect is known as the Frankel defect. First is it is due to equal number of cation and anion missing from lattice point. No, this is the wrong because of the number of cation and anion missing from lattice point. This defect is known as the Schottky defect. Because this is not correct for Frankel defect. So this is the right. It is the not correct for Frankel defect. Next, it has no effect on density of the crystal. This is the right because of the Frankel defect density is remains same. Next, it occurs in crystals where the different in size of the cation and anion is small. This meaning of the cation and anion size difference is very small. This is also affect the Schottky defect. Because of in the Frankel defect, cation size is smaller than the anion. So its cation and anion difference is more. That way this is the wrong for the Frankel defect. Next, silver halide. So Frankel defect, yes, silver halide. Because of the, for example, AgBr, AgI, AgCl. Because of the smaller size of this cation, it shows the Frankel defect. Next, so its right answer is the A and C. Next, the coordination number of 8 for cation in only found in cation coordination number 8. We know that the CaCl coordination number 8. That way, antifluoride and fluoride structure. So, CaF2. In the CaF2, it's occupy octahedral space. So, its coordination number 8. NaCl, its coordination number 6. And that Na2O, its coordination number 4. So, right option is the CaCl and CaF2. Next, which of the following system do not give correct description of axial length or angle? This is the hexagonal. A is equal to B is not equal to C. And alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 and gamma is equal to 120. Yes, this is the right. Next, tetragonal. A is equal to B is equal to not C. And A is equal to beta is equal to 90 and gamma is equal to 90. This is the wrong because of the tetragonal. A is equal to B is equal to C. Next, monoclinic. A is equal to not is equal to B not equal to C. Means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to not equal to 90. So this is the wrong. Then cubic. A is equal to B is equal to C. And alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Yes, this is the right. So its answer do not give the correct description that tetragonal and monoclinic. Next, with respect to graphite and diamond, which of these statements given is or are correct? Find out the correct statement. First, graphite is harder than diamond. No, this is the wrong because of the graphite is smaller than the diamond. Respect to the graphite, which is find out the correct statement. So this is the wrong. Graphite has higher electrical conductivity than diamond. Yes, because of the in the graphite valence electron present. For the valence electron, this is the freely movement, it gives the electrical property. And the diamond, there are 4 covalent bonds, this is the stronger bond. So if diamond has no free electron present, it not show the electrical property. That way graphite has a higher electrical conductivity than diamond. Next, graphite has a higher thermal energy than diamond. This is the wrong because of the diamond has a more strong bond. Where strongest bond strength is increased, thermal energy increase. So that way this is the wrong because of the diamond has more thermal energy than the graphite. Next, graphite has higher carbon-carbon bond order than diamond. Yes, this is the right because of the graphite has one valence electron when one valence electron present. And its carbon-carbon length is more because of the diamond 4 covalent bond present. When 4 covalent bond present means bond is stronger. When strength is increased, carbon-carbon bond length increase. That way, graphite has a higher carbon-carbon bond order than the diamond. Next, the correct statements regarding defects in solids are: first, Frankel defect is usually favored by very small difference in the size of cation and anion. This is the wrong because of the size of cation and anion difference is more because of the cation size smaller than the anion. Why this difference present? Because of the cation size smaller, so is easily occupy the interstitial position in the Frankel defect. Next, Frankel defect is a dislocation defect. Yes, this is the right because of the interstitial position occupy means dislocation of the cation. Trapping of an electron in the lattice leads to the formation of F center. Yes, trapping of the electron it's known as the F center. It gives the color of the compound. Next, the Schottky defects have no effect on the physical properties of solids. This is the wrong because of the Schottky defect effect on the physical property of the solids. This is the wrong. We find out that the correct statements regarding defect in the solids. So correct statement is the B and C. So its answer B and C. Next, which type of defect are present in AZBR and ZNA crystal? We know that the AZBR is the exceptional case because of the AZBR has the Frankel effect and Schottky defect. So AZBR first is the Schottky defect. Yes, this is the Schottky defect, and ZNA is Frankel defect. This is the Frankel defect. But ZNA always gives the Frankel defect. So that way AZBR Schottky defect, ZNS Frankel defect, AZBR Frankel defect, and ZNS Frankel defect. So its right option is the B and C. Because of the ZNS only give the Frankel defect. Next, the correct statements for cubic close packing in three-dimensional structures are: first, the number of the nearest neighbors of an atom present in the topmost layer is 12. This is the wrong because of the topmost layer number of atom present is 6. Next, the efficiency of atom packing is 74%. Yes, this is the right. Efficiency of packing is 74%. The number of octahedral and tetrahedral voids per atom are 1 and 2 respectively. We know that the number of atom per unit cell is equal to n. When number of octahedral void is equal to the n because of the number of atom per unit cell is same as the number of octahedral void. Then next is the number of tetrahedral void is twice than the octahedral voids. So this is the right for the octahedral void. For example, this is the 1. So tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral voids. Next, the unit cell S length is 2 under root 2 times the radius of the atom. We know that the CCP structure 4R is equal to under root 2A. When R is equal to under root 2 by 4A. This is the under root 2 into 2A. So R is equal to A by 2 under root 2. A is equal to 2 under root 2A to R. So that way the S length of the unit cell is 2 under root 2 times the radius of the atom. So this is the right option. We found that the correct statement for the CCP. So in this correct statement is 3. Its answer B, C and D. Next is make the column 1 and column 2. First is the simple vacancy defect, simple interstitial defect, Frankel defect and Schottky defect. Shown by non-ionic solids and increased density of solids. Shown by ionic solids, decrease the density of solids. Shown by non-ionic solid and decrease density of the solid decrease, and shown by ionic solid and density of the solid remains same. First see that the column 2. In the column 2, two words repeat: non-ionic, ionic, non-ionic and ionic. We know that the Frankel defect and Schottky defect is the ionic solid, and vacancy and interstitial defect is the non-ionic. So only first check with this is the ionic and this is the non-ionic. Then simple vacancy defect. Vacancy defect means the removal of the anion or cation. Where removal of the ion, so its mass is decreased. Mass is decreased, so density decrease. So first check non-ion and decreased density. That is non-ion. Shown by non-ionic solid and increased density, no. Then shown by anionic solids and density of the solid decrease. So right option for the A is equal to 3. Then simple interstitial defect. Interstitial defect shown by non-ionic solids and increase the density. Then Frankel defect and Schottky defect. We know that both are the ionic solids. Where the ionic solids in the Schottky defect, ion pair remove. Ion pair remove means this much mass of the ions is decreased. When mass decrease, density decrease. So for the Schottky defect, ionic and decrease the density. This is the shown by ionic solid and decrease the density. For the Schottky defect, 2 is the right option. D, 2. And last is C. C is the ionic solids and density of the solids remain the same. That way solve column 1 and column 2. First check the ionic and non-ionic. Second, column 1 and column 2, impurity defect, metal excess defect and metal deficient defect. Then column 2, NaCl with anionic sites called F center, FeO with Fe plus 3 and NaCl with Sr plus 2 and more cation sites vacant. Impurity defect means not pure. So in this option, NaCl with Sr plus 2. So these both are different. So it is the impurity defect. First. Then only two, metal excess and metal defect. We know that the metal excess, metal means positive charge and excess means increase. And deficient means the positive charge decrease. NaCl with anionic sites called F center. We know that the NaCl with anionic site means anionic sites are vacant. When anionic sites are vacant means positive charge increase. Positive charge increase means metal is excess defect present. So 2B, right answer is the 1. NaCl with anionic sites called F center because of the removal of the anion and produce the vacant anionic sites. And last, metal deficient defect. In the metal deficient defect, option is FeO with Fe plus 2. This is the variable oxidation state. Because of the when cation remove, so electrical neutrality Fe plus 2 converted into Fe plus 3. So this defect is known as the metal deficient defect. Column 1 and column 2. Column 1, magnesium in solid state, magnesium Cl2 in molten state, silicon with phosphorus and germanium with boron. P-type semiconductor, N-type semiconductor, electrolytic conductor and electronic conductor. We know that these two are silicon with potassium or silicon with phosphorus and germanium with boron. These are the semiconductor. First check with this magnesium in solid state. When molten state present, so electrolytic conductivity present. For the MgCl2 in molten state, so electrolytic conductor, that way B gives the 3. And a magnesium in solid state gives the electronic conductor because of the presence of the electron. Then next, silicon with phosphorus and germanium with boron. These are two types semiconductor, P-type and N-type. N means the more electron and P means the whole, means less electron. So for the silicon has 14 group and 4 valence electron. And phosphorus has group number 15 and 5 valence electron. So this is the 4 and this electron is 5. When phosphorus doped with the silicon means 5 electron doped with the silicon. So this is the more number of electron. When electron increase, this type of conductor is known as the N type of semiconductor. So right answer is C2 and D 1. Because of the germanium with boron. Germanium has a 14 group, it has a 4 valence electron and boron has 3 valence electron. So this is the 4 and this 3 electron less number of electrons. So it's produce the hole, and when hole produce, it gives the positive type of semiconductor. This is known as the P type of semiconductor. Next, column 1 and column 2. Square close packing in 2 dimension, hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension, hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing in 3 dimension. Which is the right option? Square close packing in 2 dimension. This is a triangular void. Pattern of the sphere is repeated in every fourth layer. Fourth layer means A, B, C. These are the different and fourth layer is repeated. So 1, 2, 3 and fourth layer repeated. Then coordination number 4. Next, pattern of sphere is repeated in alternative layer. Alternative layer, for example, these two layers A and B. Then repeated A, B, A, B. Square close packing in 2 dimensions. Square close packing in 2 dimensions means coordination number 4. So right option is. Then next, hexagonal close packing in 2 dimensions. For the hexagonal close packing, there are the triangular void present. Because of the hexagonal, first layer is same as the square planar layer, and next layer is the that way. This is the first layer, and second is between the first two. So when 1, 2, 3, this produce the void. So this is the triangular void. So hexagonal packing in 2 dimensional produce the triangular void. Then hexagonal closed packing in 3 dimension. Its pattern is of sphere is repeated in alternative layer. So that is the AB type of structure. So C, right option is 4. And cubic closed pack in 3 dimension. Its structure is ABC type of pattern. D. 2. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.